And this is Ashley Shepard of Shep Publishing. And in this video, I'm going to show you a brand partnership media kit that you can use to be able to reach out to different podcasters, different organizations, or different influencers to be able to help market your book. So the first document is actually showing where everything is linked. And so at the top, it has a version of a completed media kit and then also a website that shows this. And so I did two versions because sometimes people receive information in different ways. And so at the top, you'll be able to see two fully completed examples of what this looks like. And so let's go ahead and dig into those. So this first one is for my book, New Mom Thoughts, and this was released in 2020. And this is what I sent out to different brands. Ooh, typos happen. This is what I sent out to different brands to be able to partner with them. So this was after I contacted them via email or on social media. And it has all of the links that they would need to be able to promote this to their audience. And so I wanted to make it very simple for them, links to graphics, links to the launch party, things of that sort. I also did this in a website version because people learn different ways. And so same thing, things are linked here. And then for this one, I gave them an opportunity to be featured on my book bonus site. And that's explained in this as well. Okay, so back to this. When you are filling this out for you, you'll notice that there are words that are in bold print and in brackets. And so that portion is telling you, hey, you need to make the edits here. So here you would insert your flyer for your book. Here you would take this part out and type in who is your book for. So it says, thank you for being willing to help spread the word about helping, in my case, new moms during their fourth trimester across the world with the New Mom Thoughts book release. And you're simply just going to remove those and type in the things that apply to you into this document. And so if you do not already have this and you'd like to dig into it and get a little bit more information about it, you can check out the link that's attached to this video.